Continuing our coverage of the Metro cardiac setup, we are now in the CTVS ICU. The cardiothoracic department is headed by one of the most eminent, skillful, experienced cardiothoracic surgeon, Dr. Sameer Sharma. We are expected to maintain a lot of silence over here, so let us talk to Dr. Sameer Sharma. We will go inside the CTVS ICU and would like to talk to Dr. Sameer. So we are talking to Dr. Sameer Sharma. We are in the CTVS ICU. The voice has to be kept a little low. So Dr. Sameer, you have been doing cardiothoracic surgery. You've been heading this department at Metro Mass Hospital, and when we came to Jaipur, we found out which are the heart centers, which are so-called complete heart centers. Most of these days we have cath labs which are not having a proper backing of a cardiac OT, and we are in the ICU. There are so many patients who are post-operative. So what exactly is the cardiac program? What all kinds of surgeries are you doing in this?
Ashar Center at Metro Hospital, we are covering the whole spectrum of adult cardiac surgeries. That includes the coronary bypass grafting, valve replacements, valve repairs, then vascular surgeries, aortic surgeries we are doing. Then we are also delving into the congenital part of the cardiac surgery, the pediatric cardiac surgery also we are doing. We are doing ASTs, VSTs, tendral failure operations, and other simple congenital cardiac surgeries also we do. So in a way we are covering the whole spectrum of cardiac surgery.
And when we were going through the records, as we usually do, trying to find out the mortality and morbidity of the surgeries, and we were amazed that you have an almost 0% complications, 100% success rate. What is the secret behind? I know cardiac surgery across all centers is improving day by day. So what is your secret of keeping?
Over the years, the cardiac surgery, the mortality and morbidity has gone down tremendously with experience, and the procedures, well-defined procedures are there. But I mean, with CABGs and with all the amenities, it's even possible today to reduce the mortality rate below 1%, and that's we are trying to keep here. And with the hard work of our team, the cardiac surgery is not only surgery. It starts from pre-operative assessment to intracardiac assessment, intracardiac management, as well as the post-operative management also. So ours is a complete team, and we take over the patient right from the OPD and till discharge. So our team is well equipped, the experienced people, they are doing their best. So we are able to keep our mortality rates in check.
So you mean to say just having a great surgical hand is not sufficient?
That's very important part, but other aspects are also very important.
So basically,
as well as post-operative anesthesia management, ICU management is again very important. So ours is a complete team. Lucky to have this team that we have.